Once upon a time, in a misty swamp filled with pink flamingos and floating lotus flowers, lived a little Dilophosaurus named Dilly. Dilly loved to collect shiny pebbles. One day, she couldn't find any. "Oh dear," she sighed, "where have all the sparkly stones gone?" She looked and looked, but they were nowhere to be seen. Just as she was about to give up, she spotted a tiny firefly blinking near a mangrove root. "Follow me!" buzzed the firefly. It led her to a hidden nook, overflowing with the shiniest pebbles she'd ever seen. Dilly learned that even when things seem lost, a little help and persistence can lead to wonderful discoveries.